YouTube, you said to see videos of full swap, but before and after. If you see my EP3 K83, I damaged a valve my way home. It sounds like a cylinder 2 is hitting the intake side valves. So I got the K28 too, the K20A Japanese spec or base model RXX engine replacement just to get it up and running. I'm gonna take this apart first because I gotta put intake manifold, the headers, skunk to turbo cans. But when it's time to remove this one, I'll start making video of the full swap. I seen checked everywhere, people just put pictures, no videos. So the clutch in this car is only 2,500 miles, so I'm probably put a new one anyway. I'm gonna take everything from here. I was thinking to make a skunk ultra intake manifold, but I don't know if I'll have the funds to get it in time. With a 70mm throttle body, have it retuned. Right now it's practically base. Those aftermarket headers.